is we are going to be putting pineapple juice into our blender, and we are going to do half a cup. Next, we will be doing our coconut milk, and we are going to do to 1/3 cup. Next step is we are going to be getting pineapple chunks, and it calls for them to be frozen. Unfortunately, when I went to Target, they were all out of the frozen ones, so I just bought canned ones, and then I put them in a container and I froze them that way. So that's just a little tip, and we are going to be doing 3 cups. So this is 2 cups in our measuring cup, and then I'm just going to add 1 more after that. And we are going to put them in our blender now. Now the recipe requires 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. So I'm going to scoop some up and put it in our measuring cup. And our last step is we are going to be putting our ice cream in our blender. Now our next and final step is blending it. So we want to blend it on high until it gets smooth and creamy.